Welcome back guys to another part of Power App project series. In this tutorial we will be creating the gallery where I'll show all the list data and then we will edit the selected gallery data. Means when I click on this edit button, I'll go to David's data and I can change it to maybe David Miller, and maybe I can change some number here. I can add this as a London, something like that, and I can go and do this as a inactive. And if I click on edit, go back, so I should be able to see the data which has been changed. It is inactive. We change it to David Miller, right? We also have the list. I will show you the list as well. So this is the list where we have changed the data. This is the list. So this is not the list which we are using. This is the list which is for demo purpose. I have another list which is the user list. Also guys, if you haven't watched previous part one of this series, I'll recommend you to watch that, because in that part I have added the data in a list using patch function. So I'll add the link in a description and I'll show it in a I button as well. You can go and watch the part one of this series. So this second part will give you a better understanding. So what I will do, I will close this one, and this is our app, right? So we will be working on this. So what I'll do, I will create one screen, blank screen, and I will add the, maybe I can add the label here and paste it, header and all the thing you can add. You can just copy it and I can paste that here. This will be the gallery. We can add one more label, rectangle. I will expand this and we will give this some another color, maybe some custom and pink color will look good. Yeah, this looks good. I will quickly add all the labels and everything here. So text label, this I will give full name and bold. Color I will add white. This you have to copy and you have to paste it here. We have the full name, then we will have gender. I will save it. Again you have to paste it. Another one will be mobile. Then I'll paste it one more column here. This will be the age. Then I will paste one more time. This will be is active. I'll push all the thing. This will be in here. This will be here. Push it here. Push this here, and I will push this here. Then we will have the action, right? Which will be not action, but we will add the edit. Yeah, this looks good. Now what I'll do, I will add the gallery, so it will be blank vertical gallery. Go ahead and connect with this user list. If you don't get the option, you can go ahead and you can select it from here. As I have added the user list to this gallery, what I'll do, I will you know take all the space from the screen, and here It is blank for now. What I will do, I will create this as a title. This is title. What I will do, I will go to the screen. So this I'll give a name as a scr gallery maybe. Yeah, we have the gallery here. Now what you have to do here is you have to select this item. Now this text is selected, this title is selected. You have to select this whole, rectangle which is available. You can see the arrow. It should be selected like this, should be like this. The draggable and everything should be in a rectangle. Now here what you have to do, you have to add the label. We'll add the label. Just remove this, delete this, and just drag it here. This is the date of birth. You should remove it and you should add it as a title. Now what you have to do, you have to again click on it, again go here and text label. This will be, this is mobile, right? So just drag it here, again go ahead, click on it, label. This will be the gender dot value. So gender will be in a value. So just drag it and drop it here. You have mobile number, be like this, or just push it to the left hand side, and this will be here. Yeah, this looks good. Now again go here, add the label, should be age. Again we have to add the another label. This will be user is active. Then we have the edit. So add the icon, edit. This you can add, and here we will be having this icon. Just minimize this and drag it here. Is active, just push it to, and this will be like this. Now this looks good. Okay, what we have to do now is when I click on this edit icon, it should go to the edit page where I'll write the patch function for edit. So that we have to do. What I'll do, I'll click on this icon on select. You have to write the two things, but before that what I'll do, I will create one more screen. This will be blank. I will rename it to scr edit patch. In this you have to go here, you have to write two things. Set a global variable for the selected record, and this item. You can give a name as per your project, or you can, if you are working just for the learning sake, this will be enough. But if you are working on a live project, guys, please give a meaningful name to it. Selected record for certain gallery, whatever gallery or anything you are using. Another one will be scr edit patch, screen edit patch. Save it, and now I'll run this. I'll click on the edit and I'll redirect it to another page, which is edit patch. What we have to do now is we have to go to edit patch and we have to just copy this and we have to paste it here. And again we have the gallery. I will copy this and here I will paste it. this will be edit patch, right? Now what I'll do, I will add the form. So edit form, and again use this list. So here we have all the fields available. What I'll do, I will, use all the screen. I will drag it, and here it will be just 2 column, and I have to remove the age, and this will be enough. I will add one button here, and this button will say update. Here we are done with this. Now what we have to do, in item we have to use the selected record. You'll able to see now whatever we have selected, it is available here. What I will do, I will go to the screen gallery, and here I'll run this, and I will select my data, which is John Franco. I'll able to see the data available here. Now what we have to do, we have to write the patch function to update this data. Now the patch function is not working. Also, we are not writing the validation because I've already wrote it in part 1. So if you want to get familiar with the validation like require field and all, just go watch part 1. It will give you better idea. I'm not writing it because you can watch the part 1 and get the idea of how to do validations. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the on select of this patch function, and here what you have to do is you have to write the patch. Earlier when we were adding, we use the default, right, to add the data. Here we will be using selected record, and we are done with this. What I will do, I will go and I will give this as a, so this will be txt edit full name, dd edit gender, txt edit mobile, date picker edit dob, address will be txt edit address, and this last one will be choice active. Yeah, we are done with this. Now we have to write the patch. I will save it, and I will scroll it down. We'll go to the top. We'll do the format text. Here will be title first. So txt edit full name dot text. That, then we have the gender. So dd edit gender dot selected, comma, we have mobile number, txt edit mobile dot text, comma, dob, we have date picker edit dob dot selected date, format the text, comma, we have address, txt edit address dot text, comma, age, difference between date picker edit dob dot selected date, comma, from today's date in time dot unit time unit dot year. And now the last one will be user active, which will be choice active dot value. I will close this. We have missed the today should be like this. Format this. What I'll do, I'll add the notify double quotes record has been added, comma, notify success. I will close it and I will save it. Now what I'll do, all the things has been done. We have to add the navigation for each screen. So here I will go to my first screen, detail list, just give this as a white color. On select, we will navigate to screen, gallery. Then we have the gallery, right? From here, any which ways we are navigating to edit form. In edit, I will add the back button. Here will be back arrow. I'll add it here. Now give this a color white. And again on select, we will be navigating to screen, gallery. I will save it and I will run the gallery. Here we have this list available, right? We have to check if we are able to edit the data here. So Shankar Yadav, the mobile number is this, date of birth is this, and I will change some data for Shankar Yadav. I'll edit this. Maybe I will change the name to Lisa Franco, and I will just change the birth date to this. We'll go to the male female. Here I can see the data like this. I'm not sure why. Let's see why it is like this. It is edit. So I hope you have seen we have to change it to primary text as a value and search field as a value. So that will work. Now what I will do, I will run this again, and here I will add the data, but I will add the address as India because the address was not available, and I will click on update. The record has been added, or you can add the updated. I will refresh this. The data for Lisa Franco has been updated. Again, it is male. We have to change it to female. And now if I'll update this, record has been added. I will refresh this. No, the Lisa Franco, she's a female. The mobile number, date of birth has been updated to November, and we have the address also updated. The age is updated as well. Here what I will do, I will do this as a user active off. And now if I will refresh this, it will say false, means it is not ticked, so which means it is false. Now I'll go back. I'm here to my screen. Yeah, I'll do some changes as well to this. What we will do for this, I will as a I will go to the on select, and here it will be updated. Okay, save it, and to the gallery I will add the home, and this will navigate to, can get the property from here. Color will be white, and this will navigate to the screen add, right? Screen name, sorry. This is the name of our screen, and now we will check the flow, how our project works, and we will finish with the app. So here I'll add some data. I'll add this as a, I will add this as a Eva do, and gender will be female, mobile will be some random number, and date of birth I will give it from 2000 August 16. Click on OK. Address will be Delhi, India, and I'll click on submit. So it will say record added successfully. I'll go to the list, detail list. The Avast data is also added here. I'll click on edit. I'll able to see the Avast data available here. I can, change some data here. Maybe I will change it to some 87, something like that. And Delhi, from Delhi, I'll do it from Nagpur, and I will update this. Record has been updated. I'll go back, and if I'll see Eva, the data has been added. The data has been updated. It was 555 something, but now it is updated to this. Check all the details that is available. This is male, female, and everything is working fine. So guys, that's it with the part 2 of Power App series. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned how to write the edit patch for updating the data in a list. So that's it. Thank you and bye.